When you were born, I'm sure your parents whipped out their computer and on an Excel spreadsheet mapped out your life till you hit 35. In this plan, there were goals, timelines, action steps, and quantifiable measurements. That's what happened, right? Of course not. What happened instead was that your folks imagined a nice life for you and perhaps put some money away for college right there and then. After that wish, it was back to diapers and crying babies. The story about the Excel spreadsheet is about goal setting with tangible and measurable outcomes, complete with specific steps all the way. The second story with your parents wishing and hoping and imagining all good things for you is about intention setting, which is what we'll talk about in this chapter on the power of setting an intention. In the business environment, why tell stories? We've mentioned this dozens of times. We tell stories in business to influence. Stories are not meant to entertain, and stories are part of your influence strategy. Since it's all about influence, what must happen so that your audience is indeed influenced? Think about this for a moment. What must your audience feel about you or towards you so that they are influenced? What did you come up with? What feeling do you want your audience to feel when you influence them? That's right. You want them to trust you, to believe you, to empathize with you, to be you even. Okay, isn't it so true that the best way to get your point of view across in any influence setting is when your audience trusts you, right? So that's your intention in influence, to get your audience to trust you. And when you tell stories, your intention is to build so much rapport that your audience loves you and trusts you. Tell stories in the business setting to influence, and before that, remember that your stories must build trust. More on how to choose stories to build trust later, and for now, just remember to always set an intention to tell stories to get your audience to trust you and love you. See you in the next chapter.